What's up, YouTube? So I know y'all saw that thumbnail, that beautiful thumbnail, by the way, because I know the food gonna just come out delicious. Before I let y'all know what all I'm finna cook and dig into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all want more cooking videos, please comment down below and let me know what do y'all want to see me cook, and I will cook it. Cause you know your girl be in the kitchen. We got some steak. I cut these steaks in half cause y'all, these steaks was like on steroid, like they was big, Okay, and I got 2 lobster tails for me and one for Rod. These are 2 bags of shrimps, tail on, and then I'm gonna make a salad. I might put like eggs or something in the salad, but yeah. Okay, y'all, as y'all see, I'm gonna use some Obey, some. Hey! Can you please move? I'm gonna be using some all-purpose seasoning, whatever this is, some garlic powder, lemon pepper, complete seasoning. You know, I always have to have the complete. Boo, please move. I'm gonna be using salt and Italian seasoning, and I'm gonna be using this on all of everything. So right now, I'm finna go ahead and season the steak. See. Right now this is lemon pepper that I'm putting all on the steaks right now. I hope this is a good angle. These steaks big. Alright, after the lemon pepper, we're going to go in with the complete seasoning. I'm going to go in with the complete. Make sure everything has the complete on it. Okay. After the complete is done, I'm gonna go in with just some salt, cause the salt gonna bring out all the seasonings that I put on there. The salt gonna bring all the seasonings out. I feel like if you don't have no salt and you put a whole bunch of seasoning, it's not gonna taste like nothing. The salt, like, you know, add a little razzle dazzle in it. You know what I mean? Okay. So now I'm put a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. Oh yeah, I like this too. Okay. I like this for some reason. I know it's supposed to go on chicken, but I like it. It just gives the steak more flavor. And y'all, my steaks be fire, okay? My steaks be fire. One thing I always learn is if your food look good when you seasoning it and stuff, it's gonna taste good. So if it's looking good, it's gonna taste good, you know. And this right here is steak seasoning that I'm putting on it now, y'all. Steak seasoning. And I'm finna flip all the steaks over. I'm gonna flip all the steaks over. Cause all of them over there basic. The other side basic. So, but I'm not gonna, let's see. Okay, some of them got both sides. Okay. So I'm gonna just put some more seasoning. This side, I'm gonna go a little light. I'm gonna go a little light. I'm gonna put some Italian. Yeah, I wish I could taste it. But, sorry. Okay, so after my steak is nice and seasoned, well, yeah, this is my steak, you guys. So now I'm finna go with my lobster. Now we finna go with the lobsters, y'all. This is my first time making lobsters. Okay, never made lobsters before, but I watched it on YouTube. So We finna see. I know they say, no, don't cut that. You cut this. Yeah, you cut this right here. Boom. Down the middle. Oh, shoot. They say cut this. I'm going to take some of the shell off and leave some shell on, because I do want some of the shell on my food. Well, I don't want to eat the shell, but, you know, just for decorations. You know. Okay, so after I do that. Okay, so after I do this, I'm going to go and clean this. Hold on. Alright. That's one of the lobsters right there. Now. So, I got both of my lobsters. So, I'm going to put that to the side with my steak. Oh, no, I got to season my lobster. Got to season my lobster. What I'm going to season my lobster with is Old Bay. Old Bay and salt. Okay, Old Bay and salt. So this is how my lobster looking. Let's see, do I want to add some more? I'm going to add some more, just to give it the spices that I want. My shrimps, as y'all see. I want to season my shrimps. Steady, can y'all steady? Okay, I'm going to season my shrimps with Old Bay. Okay. And a little bit more Old Bay. I'm gonna, alright, I'm gonna use some Italian. Set it down. Okay, now I'm gonna add Italian seasoning in it. And I hate the way this comes. Oh my gosh. I just waste all the Italian seasoning. Okay. So, I'm going to add some Italian seasoning like that on my shrimps. I'm going to have to clean that up. Ow. Shrimps poke me. Okay. So, now your shrimps should look like this. Boom. Alright, you guys. So, now I'm going to add the butter. This is for the lobster, and this is for the shrimps. Okay? One for the lobster, one for the shrimps. This for the lobsters right here. You're going to just get that butter. I got the stove on 5, so I don't have it cooking too fast. With the shrimps. Make sure this is buttery because I don't want mine.
I'm going for it, y'all.
My lobster's in there cooking. Oh my god, I never cooked the lobster before, y'all. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna make sure it's butter. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put this butter too, because this butter came with the lobster. So I guess I'm gonna use it.
And I think I need to turn it around first. Ooh. And put that right there. If I'm doing it right, comment down below if I'm doing it right, you guys. Comment down below if I'm doing this right. This is my first time, so please don't judge me.
So this is how they looking so far. So good. So far so good, y'all. So far so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna dump my shrimps in here. Ooh, if you don't get away from me. So I got my shrimps in there. I'm gonna add some more butter in my shrimp. Okay. So this is my shrimps right now. And then I'm gonna take it out. Okay, now I'm gonna put the butter. Is it hot? Okay. For the steak.